I just wanted to check in with a little life update and just to tell you what I'm doing now with my sort of business enterprises. This engineering company that I want to start called Astrojet Systems, exploring the ideas of fusion energy in space and fusion propulsion. I want to bring that under like the larger umbrella name of an organization called Astrodyne Rocket Jet, to experiment with all sorts of different devices for um, use in space and in the upper atmosphere, and well, within the atmosphere and outside the atmosphere. So, like, but in the first instance, what I want to very much look into is a space elevator. And this idea, and really trying to beat the Chinese and the Japanese to a space elevator by 2040. And seeing how high we can build. People others suspect that we can build to 120,000 feet. Is that right? Or that's how high the tower in Ad Astra is, isn't it? Because it goes up to the upper atmosphere. So, yeah, I think we go further than that. And we suspend it by a system of dirigibles. Towers and stages suspended using rocket engines. And we propel it with constant rocket blasts, pulsed or otherwise, or just low throttled rocket engines propelling payload, in essence, stages of a machine, right? And basically just piping oxygen, hydrogen up there to burn. Once you're actually in space, and use hydrogen and oxygen up there, we could use, I guess, hydrogen and kerosene. But could we do that? Could we have rocket engines burning? Because we get nice and cool, let's face it, that high up. And anything that's in space is easier to burn things like hydrogen and oxygen together in space. But on Earth, if you want to like, burn it around, I've been thinking a lot about balloon launches, a lot about this sort of thing. I'm thinking like, how big a system of balloons could we build? Could we build something like an oil rig out of balloons that's suspended in the upper atmosphere, launches a rocket, or that launches a few rockets, and the rockets, those get up there using the dirigible rings with jet engines on them as well. A standard turbofan or ramjetty or scramjetty once the air gets thinner up there. I don't know. There's a lot of technical challenges, hurdles that need overcoming. But it's not even my idea. It's not even my idea. NASA thought of balloons, for the stages of a space elevator. But I thought of the rocket engines bit, I think. Yeah. We get out of the atmosphere, use rocket engines to propel it. To keep the stages up there. Yeah. You could climb to space. You could could put a climber on a string. Send it, like with most materials, I reckon. Could do it with cotton, I think. If you kept it in a tube. No, not cotton. Like rope, maybe. Like a bit of rope could reach to space. Let it freeze and fall to shreds. I don't know. But you see what I mean. Probably not. I don't know. But rocket engines to suspend it, yes. To keep it going up there. I think that's a good idea. No one's thought of that yet. I needed to make a note of it anyway.